Hi again. It's a nice day today with really warm weather, but I haven't forgotten you. I haven't forgotten that you're studying indoors, trying to prepare for your exams. And this is part two of analyzing texts. And we're going to focus in this video on context and symbolism. These are game changers when it comes to impressing examiners. Here's an example. Say you're reading a poem about war written during World War One. The author might use symbols like broken swords or empty fields to represent loss and destruction. Connecting these symbols to the historical context shows you understand the deeper message. Another tip, look for recurring motifs. If a character keeps returning to the ocean in a novel, it could symbolize freedom or maybe isolation. Identifying patterns like this makes your analysis richer and more insightful. Ready to master these skills? My guide has tons of practice questions and worked examples.